Imagine standing at the edge of a vast expanse where the sky kisses the horizon and the air is thick with the scent of earth and greenery. This is the countryside of Siem Reap province, a place where time seems to stretch and the pace of life slows down, inviting you to breathe deeply and soak in the beauty that surrounds you. Here, the landscape unfolds like a vibrant tapestry, woven with shades of green, gold, and the occasional burst of color from wildflowers that sway gently in the breeze. As you wander through the rice paddies, the golden stalks stand tall, their heads heavy with grain, swaying rhythmically to the whispers of the wind. Farmers, clad in traditional krama, work diligently under the sun, their hands skillfully tending to the land that has sustained generations. You can hear the soft squelch of mud beneath their feet, a testament to the labor that goes into nurturing this fertile ground. The sound of laughter echoes from nearby, where children play, their carefree spirits a reminder of the simple joys found in nature. They chase each other through the fields, their laughter mingling with the distant calls of birds flitting from tree to tree, creating a symphony of life that fills the air. The countryside is not just a feast for the eyes, it is a sensory experience that envelops you completely. The warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the shade beneath a sprawling banyan tree, the taste of fresh coconut water as you crack open a young fruit, all these sensations blend together to create a moment of pure bliss. As you sip the cool water, you can't help but marvel at the resilience of the people who call this land home. They have cultivated a deep connection with the earth, understanding its rhythms and respecting its bounty. As the sun begins its descent, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the countryside transforms into a magical realm. The golden hour casts a warm glow over the fields, illuminating the faces of those who gather for the evening meal. Families come together, sharing stories and laughter over bowls of steaming rice and fresh vegetables, their bonds strengthened by the shared experience of working the land. The aroma of traditional Khmer dishes wafts through the air, a tantalizing invitation to savor the flavors of the region. In the distance, the silhouette of Angkor Wat rises majestically against the twilight sky, a reminder of the rich history that permeates this land. The ancient temple complex, once the heart of the Khmer Empire, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and devotion. But here, in the countryside, the spirit of the people is just as profound. They carry forward the traditions of their ancestors, weaving their stories into the fabric of everyday life. As night falls, the stars emerge, twinkling like diamonds scattered across a velvet canvas. The sounds of the countryside shift, the chirping of crickets fills the air, and the gentle croaking of frogs creates a soothing lullaby. It's a time for reflection, a moment to appreciate the beauty of simplicity. The darkness envelops the landscape, but it is not a void. It is a canvas for dreams, a space where the imagination can roam free. In this serene setting, you realize that the countryside of Siem Reap province is more than just a picturesque landscape. It is a living, breathing entity, rich with stories waiting to be told. It is a place where the past and present intertwine, where the rhythms of nature guide the lives of those who inhabit it. Here, amidst the fields and the laughter of children, you find a profound sense of peace, a reminder that sometimes the greatest treasures are found not in grand monuments, but in the quiet moments shared with the earth and its people.